What is alpha? Alpha is the common base current gain of a transistor and it is defined as the ratio of IC by IE. So alpha is mathematically it is given by the ratio IC by IE, that is the collector current divided by emitter current. The value of alpha typically lies between 0.95 to 0.99. This is because the collector current is always slightly less than the emitter current. So alpha lies between this value. It is typically less than 1. Now let's talk about beta. Beta is the common emitter current gain. Mathematically, it is defined as the ratio of collector current divided by base current. Beta represents how much the transistor amplifies the base current. It ranges from 20 to 1000 depending on the type and application. Now let's find out how the alpha and beta are related. We know for a transistor, the emitter current is always the sum of collector current and base current. We also know alpha is the ratio of IC by IE and beta is the ratio of IC by IB. So we can write here IE as IC by alpha. This is equation number 1, and we can also write IB as IC by beta. This is equation 2. So using these two equations, when we substitute the value of IE and IB here, we will get IE as IC by alpha equals to IC plus IB as IC by beta. So if we take IC common in the numerator and cancel, we will have 1 by alpha is equal to 1 plus 1 by beta. Now if we take LCM, 1 by alpha is equal to beta plus 1 by beta. If we do the reciprocal, we will get alpha is equal to beta by beta plus 1. This is how we can express alpha in terms of beta. Now using this equation, let me express beta in terms of alpha. So I will do 1 by alpha minus 1 is equal to 1 by beta. 1 minus alpha by alpha is equal to 1 by beta. Now if I do the reciprocal, I will get beta is equal to alpha by 1 minus alpha. Now let us solve a quick example. We are given if the value of alpha is 0.98, what is its beta? So we know beta is alpha by 1 minus alpha. Let me put 0.98 here. We get 0.98 divided by 1 minus 0.98. It is 0.98 divided by 1 minus 0.98 is 0.02. On taking the division, we will get 49. So the value of beta is 49. It is as simple as that. Similarly, if beta is given 49 for a transistor, find alpha. So we have solution. We know alpha is equal to beta by beta plus 1. So if I put 49 by 49 plus 1, I'll get 49 divided by 50, which is equal to 0.99. So alpha is equal to 0.99, which is true because alpha always lies between 0.95 to 0.99. So yeah.